pa-foul counted po.
Dalawa yung okay lang sana yung tapos.
Eto, malamig pa sa kamay si Idol jersey number 12. In control again on Mr. Julius. Galing sa bench, medyo matalon yung basa kay Mr. Pibanas. Roll na naman tayo para sa dalawang veteran. Eto ang dalawang pinapabilis yung naman si Mr. Sanggalan at Mr. Cora. Back now on number 7, Sanggalan. Isolation, taking a slice against Valenzuela. Elbow, sinabihin nga naman ni Mr. Valenzuela. Ilang-ilan na yan. The play post, number 10. Number 10, Valenzuela. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots. Si Mr. Valenzuela, pang-inter barangay coach yan, si Mr. Valenzuela.
Nung araw lumilipad yan eh.
Oo, nung araw lumilipad.
Ngayon gumagapang na lang.
Kaya
Ngayon gumagapang na lang.
The score 8-9. Now on number 3. Handstands to Samar. Rebound Rodriguez. Back now on the play against the general si Mr. Cura. To the backup score si Mr. Sanggalang. Slowly moving. Penetrate. Sinyaparan yung mga vintage move ni Mr. Sanggalang number 7 nung kapanahon. Now on with the flat pass underneath the blocker.
Hey! Hey!
Here we can find a JC. Back to Valenzuela to give it. 14 down the shot clock. Cross-court pass. Left-side pass. Eto, serious sa number 12. Eto, dahan-dahan muna sabi ni Mr. Bilig maghahanap ang papasahan sabi ni Mr. Cura. Hintay mo na kami sa Rodriguez at Mr. Paule. Looking on the receiver now on the left wing to Mr. Paule. Inside pass to Mr. Sanggalang. With the ball making another force shot on jersey number 7 as Sanggalang. Back now on Julius. Julius now over the left to the right. Time to shot. Eto, huli ka na naman, Idol. Kinapit si Nalapit. That's a loose ball. Kita ka na naman sa mas yung kamay mo. Nakakakaba. That is your third team foul.
Ganun-ganun mo na lang, naka-play niyan.
Gano'n ko na lang, pre. Ayun naman! Mariswen!
Pero durot tayo pa. Pamo, basat kaya kaya pamo magkain. Sigurado mating na siguro.
Kan, maliliyo kayo, pare. Ba't naliliyo kayo kakadur? Ganyan mo kayo.
Kay Oliver, may namimiyalong na eh. Kay Oliver. Malawat siya kasi.
Ngay ko ngarta mo! Apa kanya kamat ini?
Anyang milabasan. Ito ng po'y damulag eh.
Hindi pa rin, nahantindihan damulan.
Sagay na yan si damulag. Isang termora na yung damulag.
Dapat kang tita, piyalong.
Kaya
Nakakapatad mo piyalong niya, pare.
ano na pa?
turo pa na.
Sabi niya kaya yan, parang ba?
Kabasa.
Lapit na tayo na, ha? Lapit na.
Number 59, first inning for the first 5 minutes, second quarter. 40 seconds for shot clock, 3 minutes and 1 second. Yes, sir. And set on to number 58. Back now on the road. And now we're letting him down with a great come down from the again. This time around. This is. Now the lead under 0 for Southern Minnesota. 2 seconds for 2 minutes. The swing. On the great. It is not outside. Ikut pertandingan Morales, Ella Naimwe, dengan kawasan. Siapa ini? Whistle. There's a bell. Ya, kembali ke terus dicatat kayak tinggal.
Kalabog kong mata?
Teka magsalamin pa. Yan ang dadala na. Dala-dala na.
Ayan, magkasahin na.
Dala-dala na pare. Yan mo susunayin ang mga kabay na gila. Balik ka makapal. Sabi ko na yung makapangit. Balik madilo.
Oo. Ako sige ba? Lagay ba sa sana?
Ang kaya na talaga katama. Kaya na ikakatama sa namin. Kaya ikatama. Mapapersan pa inawan mo mag-alpan.
Walang kaya pa yata eh.
Wala na yung pare.
At yung kaya.
Sige, sige, no, kabali.
Keso ako.
Wala na.
Looking now up on the level. Eating out, again, copy,
Sobrang di kuray. Kuwari ka balik wala.
And the last one, waiting for the cover. Ushing us down from jersey number 7, Mr. Tabu. In control on Mr. Randy Mangaspak. Back to Mr. Herman in that 2026 to Mr. Malyari. On the top of the key, 50 down the shot line to Mr. number 21. And the ball fake puts it up and in on jersey number 21. Basic fundamentals para jersey number 21 Mangaspak. Our official score is 48-38. 10 puntos ang nagiging sa dalawang kupunan. Gustong dagdagan ni Mr. number 7. Paborito ang gulo, paborito ni Ramirez. Big over kanina kay Mr. jersey number 5. Back to the number 10 now. 2-1 situation. Penetrate, moving left, moving right. And there's the basket on jersey number 10. Si Mr. Boy ang dalawang man on a mission si Mr. Dalawang number 10. Score natin is 48-14. 8-point lead deficit. Balikan kay Mr. number 17. Shot on the 20 down to 16 seconds. Down to 14 seconds on the shot now to Mr. Paul. DC Scott penetrate. Set up to Mr. number 45. DC Paper number 45. 45. Two seconds remaining. Moving it out past the number 45. Looking for the second again. Mr. number 5. Ang Hermanidad for the 2026. Backing out to the lawn. Bukas yung depensa. Umatake din na. Mamimitawan ang pumunta kay Kapatid. Memphis. Rebound. On. Last touch Mr. Torres. Blue ball. Yes, a target jersey number 17. Looking one of the receivers, jersey number 17. Will take the clock on the time of Mr. number 17. Wide open, Mr. Gimbar. Underneath the basket, on the ground, number 29. Nakakita na naman dito sa 10 yung hinahabol. 40-50 official score, under 3 minutes to play. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Back to now on the court, Kenneth Wanyaki. Signaling a play on the captain number 27. 10-second shot clock for the green. 9 to shoot, penetrate, slicing down, emergency pass, Canino. 6 seconds on the shot clock, 1 dribble, inside chance. Eto, reset to the rock. Recover now on person number 7. Out the pass to Mr. number 29. On number 29. Mr. Ivan. Eto, pinakagat si Polintan, again, rebound. Same ball. 52-40. Our official score. 1 minute and 41 seconds remaining. Game like second third quarter. Already inbound to Mr. Rasi. Naulabas si Mr. Torres. Back to now to the Leon. DJ Scott. Hinahanap si Mr. Variari. Ball fake. Whistle, there's a contact to shot. There's a bell number 17. Illegal contact to the arm, jersey number 17. Number 17, Mr. Bowden. First, personal foul. Sound. Sinong pinalitan mo, boss? Dabuda. Hindi si Mr. Guevara kasing tinuturo Arki. First pull up, 13 foul for the blue. Inakalat dito ang ating green basketball. Let's see the last and final draw. Ready for the jumper. Yes, sir. On jersey number 5, 41 to 51, 52 official score. A minute and 25 seconds out the pass. To the number 89. Rebound for 17 plus 14 shot down to 10 second shot clock. 8 to shoot. Set up three for the break. 2-1 game. Puts the ball. Negative. Another rebound. Another 55 to another 55 on the clock. Asking for the receiver to Mr. Number 10. Give down. 2-1 game. Inside pass to the top lane. Negative. Follow rebound. Kanino. Kay number 27. Wala pa rin. Tapikan. Tadamahan ang government. Pulling down number 45. Outlet pass to Mr. Number 17. Steve is out of 55 points. Now it's going to the corner. Number 55. Hello. Another piece. Number 45. To the fourth general si Mr. Malyani. Looking on the receiver si Mr. Malyani ang nabiyang Duarte. Malyani now. To Mr. Number 27. Napabayaan na ang elbow. Lucky Johnson number 27. 17 seconds on the game clock. 13 seconds now. Wait for the buzzer for the blue and the green. 9 seconds game clock. Wait for the buzzer. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Looking on the receiver now. Shot like it's 1 seconds from the shot clock for the blue. Deflected now on Mr. Makaspak. Tambol. Look over again on Mr. Number 21. Pinamigay. Matatabigan na Mr. Aguiluz. Back to Mr. Number 21 with another shot. Up the window. Kinakaalas. Nandun si Mr. Asi. Pump fake pull up. Another miss. Another miss at 14 seconds. Ito. Sticky dito sa number 17. Napabayaan. And down on the shot clock for the green. 8 to shoot. Perez now on the lead. Another steal. For the blue short. Outlet pass to Miguel. Sakto yung pasa. Kapalik na. Masyado tapat malakas. Quick passing to Asi. Torres penetrate. Ito na. Napakalakas ng pasa. Too much muscle. Bigay mo na sa referee, Mr. Aguiluz. Bigyan niya ako. Bigyan niya yung anti-light yung mga batingan. Ito si jersey number 13. Ayan na siya. Alumin na Mr. Aguiluz. Sticky defense na ang Aguilar. Ganda na ng express. Fish na Mr. Aguiluz. Pag-alas dyan si Alumin na Mr. Aguiluz. Sigurado, istoryan sa kanilang lupunan. On number 3.
Hindi mababa, palitan!
17 on the shot clock. Down to 15 seconds. Last pass at the lead.
Bibigay. Ayaw mo ba eh.
Number 21 now. Alas Galamid.
Palitan mo na yung dapat palitan.
Ito na naman si Mr. Aguiluz. Siya ang magtitimang din. Si Mr. Aguiluz nakakabilang puntos ka na ba Mr. Aguiluz. 18 on the shot clock. Unang puntos. Dalawang puntos na. Good na siya ng Mr. Ito. Oh, good na ito.
Naman pala.
Breakdown level. Ito pushing number 10.
Ang bilis ang pasa.
Ito. Panakanan ang kuntusan naghahanap ng solusyon sa kanyang opensa si Mr. Makaspa. Tricep to Makaspa. On the left wing follow-up. Nothing but the bottom of the net para jersey number 14. Makaspa. Score natin is 45 to 56.
Dapat binigay na
Una na dalawang puntos na yan para kay Mr. number 14. That's a lot. Lagi may sakit. Sabi ko na sa'yo, Warren, pag nandiyan pinilihan sigurado yung opensa ng Mr. number 14. 58 to 45. Our official score. Starting action sa bigyan ng puntos sa kanyang habol. Puso Perez. Yes, sir. On number 33. Napakalaki ng pwesto ni Idol Perez. now again on the slowly runs the plan, looking now on the fourth general. Sa ating laro for the fourth quarter, 15 down on the shot clock against the Blue. With the slowly runs, ball base, icing down with a couple of plays. Rebound and falling people, pushing down on number 29. Number 29, second personal foul, number 29, that is your first team foul, Green basketball. Back to number 8. Reducing number 10 to number 8 Angeles. Set up dito sa Mr. number 8. From the 15-foot line jumper. No touch the line. Recovery now. Close to shield. Ito. That's a miscommunication. Turnover again. 7 minutes and 22 seconds. Napakahabang laruan pa yan sa ating digital bracket. Tingnan natin sa ating blue boys. Back to now on number 14 on the top of the field. Taking isolation against Makapak. Now on the Gilles is taking defense on number 14. Nice defense on the number 14. On 14 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to 12 seconds. Slicing down. Keep on. And it is out. Basket is down. Foul number 8. Illegal use of hand. Jersey number 8. Successful. Kaya tatlong personal foul. Unang team foul on the green. Basket is good number 29. The score natin is 60 to 47.
Stop.
55 down. Ready. Let's see. The ball is attacked on number 29. Hindi na po ba na number 27. Back to now number 14. Kailangan makahabol sa beneficio number 14 dito sa number 8. Ito, parehas na ulit yung pamasa. Kanili mapunta ang Mr. number 37 na number 23. Lucky down. Napakahirap yung basket dito sa ating green basketball. Back to now number 8. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Enter na si Alwina sa Mr. Angeles. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Tupolitan, penetrate, Kickburn. Napakaganda naman doon. Ang sabi ako. Ang sabi. Halika po na sa dahil ito. That's a double. That's a double.
Pwede ka na mag-shot, pare.
Hindi na pala boss. Number 14. Time out ka, bossing. O, time out muna. Now, number 27. Pating lamok. Siguradong petok. 18 on the shot clock. Number 27. First personal foul. The captain. 18 on the shot clock to the blue. Half of the number 7. Slicing down. Babing down dito. Seal by number 10. Division to Lord. Back around Ines. Out the pass. Number 27. Paula. Negative. Number 33. Yes, sir. Number 33. 51 and 62. On the right, Mr. Blue. Looking on the receiver. Crystal. There's the foul. 33. What's that, Jabos? Aguiluz out there. Second personal foul, number 33. That is your third team foul. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 15 to shoot. That's a miscommunication. That's a bad man. $60. 62 to 51. Back to now on the tricep, biceps in Mr. Aguilar. Signaling a play, taking a slice, wide open, pinabayaan lang. The idol, Bolintana. The number 37. Too much muscles, lumpapangga ako sabi ni Mr. Bolintana. Hinahanap si Mr. Jersey number 14, number 16 runner. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Hands up to Mr. number 29. There's the fly. Take it. Another week over. Back to now number 37. Combo. Just 24 shot clock again. Bagong shot from 24. Looking out number 7. Finish number 7. Almost loses the letter. Spin goes down. Mr. number 7. 15 on the shot clock. And on the counter steal on the captain. Ito na. Ang pagin natin. Ang kapitan. Landas na under sa blocking bell. Basket is down. Fell on number 8. Voltran. Number 8. Second personal foul on number 8, second team foul, and one play on number 27, 55 to 16. Stop. Number 8. Let's see the bonus on number 27, the captain. Komplementado. Ito, sumasagot na yung laro natin.
Bilang pa timeout. Bilang pa timeout.
Metong naka-timeout, boss. Metong naka-timeout. There's a foul. Number 8.
Side.
Ramirez, warning for the score of the meeting. Ito number 4. Apat ka pala. Dalawa sa third, dalawa sa fourth. People on the field. Back in now, the big nine. Hands up behind isolation. Equal to equal. Finishes there. The big nine. 10 seconds shot clock. Penetration is number 7. Negative. Free throw. Rebound on the line. Back to now, bursting number 33. Perez sa tabi. Anim na punto sa tabi yung malay. Sige, pasa. Tito. Traveling. Traveling. 56 to 62. Eto tayo. Didiskarte. Tapyas ng bahagya sa kamasan sa Benito versus number 7. Slicing it out. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Tupa na maraming inabu. 20 seconds to shoot. For the sophomore penetrate. Pasa sa sayo. Rebound. Personal shot. Nakatabu. Tupa magkami na.
Opensa kayo, bakit tinatamad kang opensa? Opensa kayo,
64 to
opensa.
56. Eto si Mr. Perez. Tinambangan ng depensa. Wide open si Mr. Number 10. Handball. Ay, Vito. There's a contact underneath. It fell on number 16. Foul number 16. Second on you, Mr. Number 16. 13 foul. 2 shots. On number 33. 64, 56. Ay, sino ba ba na nanonood sa pag pumasok na tayo sa negative. Rebound on Powlett. Anton. Division number 29. Penetrate. Sidestep. Extra pass to put it on. Rico Perez for the blue shirt. Looking on number 7. Signaling a play now. Versus number 7. Milking the clock for the tayo sabi ni Arkinex Babu. Number 7 against number 27. Leading back to Dennis now. To cross the set. Eto tayo, idol. Looking now on number 8. 15 on the shot clock. The captain to Mr. Perez. Medyo inaalat sa kanyang offense si Mr. Perez. Tapik palabas. Eto si Mr. number 2. Looking for a receiver. 2 minutes and 46 seconds. 56 to 66. A 10-point lead enjoyed by the blue shirt. 15 seconds shot clock and ball. Penetrate. 2-man game number 29. Perez. Rebound. On the blue shirt. Number 8, Alice. Taking 1-on-1. Eto moving left, moving right. Hey, Gonzalo, the foul. There's a foul. That's going to count for number 7. 37 out. Championship game. Buka sa Sunday, yung mga Sakuragi team. Yun. Yung guest natin sa Sakuragi team.
Sa linggo ba? Sa linggo?
Sunday. Yes, sir. Balik now. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. On the left wing, cross-court pass to Gibana. Close to shoot. And the pass to the blue. 8 seconds of shot clock. And Coach is on the way. Again, rebound. Tornado. Napupunta. Ikaw siya.
8 seconds.
What's up? Oh, sino ba palitan? Oh, sige. 1 minute and 40 seconds. 66 to 61. Okay, ready? Ay, sakto. Dangerous pa siya. Nakuna lang ang pala ni Sir Perez na. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Down to 13 seconds. Another to shoot. Mr. Solomon and the team. Against Mr. Perez. Looking left, looking right. Person turning on. And the CD defense. Natapigan na po Solomon.
Nawala yung ball.
Yes, sir.
Lima lang yun, oh. Lima lang, oh.
68 to 63.
Hey!
And 2.
Kanina yun? Kanina yun? Nawala yung depensa. Nawala yung depensa. Kaninong tao yun?
Labing tatlong puntos sa rudder, 7 puntos. Ito si Perez, extra pass to Mr. Number 10. Dalawa yung pumito, there's one second to lead, 2 shots. Numbers
Ibinagsak pa, pwede ng tira.
7. Oh, inaalat. Yun yung ano doon, inaalat. Wala ka na. Hindi makakuha ng rating si Mr. Perez sa kanyang offensive arsenal. 70 to 63, 7-point lead in Joy. Isang timeout, both teams, isang timeout na lang, pasok sa bangas, yung dalawang kupunan. Ito ba na Golonis Ball, ulit na nyo nag-wagirot, kanina na pumunta. And the blue shirt basketball, 22 seconds para maitawid. 22 seconds para maitawid ng ating blue shirt basketball, 22 seconds. Ito tayo. Shot lang is running down. Sakto na lang ipaasa sa second combine ni Sir Balagi. Whistle low. There's a contact on number 55. That is your first personal foul on number 55. Penalty. Isang timeout na lang for the blue. Isang timeout for the green. Nagamit kasi ng green in third quarter. 5 minutes and 59 yung last quarter. Ay, last minute ng third quarter. 35 seconds kumini pa natin ang tiniskan. Aguilar. First man versus number 29. Ibarra 71 to 63. 2 out of 2 on number 73 now to 63. Angeles for 3. Again. Lumis sa number 10. Ang inahan talaga mo si. Ito tayo. 30 seconds na tayo. Ano sa result mo? Okay. Gusto mag-graduate boss. Ito medalya para kay Boss Ernesto.
Halo ang blue team.
Personal foul number 5 on number 8. Graduate Boss Ernesto. Second game on the number 8. 2 shots on the line. For the finals, for the Golden Boys on April 29. April 29 finals natin.
Anong araw yun?
Hercules.
Hercules na naman.
Hercules at sa Sunday, mga Sakurali team.
Anong oras?
Dadating, anong oras nito?
Anong oras yan? Sean, anong oras? Sa Miyerkules, anong oras?
Alas 6.
Alas 6, gano'n.
Alas 6.
Wait! 66 to 74, 60 seconds na lang. 60 seconds.
Ah, lima.
Number 10, step number 10, first of all, number 10.